Introducing AIR2 by MicroClimate. AIR2 features an impact-resistant, replaceable dome, expanding the usability of this model to carpentry, home and garden, and other irritant particle-generating environments. AIR2 comes with 4 easily replaceable HEPA filters that scrub both incoming and outgoing air with at least a 96% efficacy at 0.3 microns. AIR2 features an improved user interface with included magnetic USB-C adapter for easy charge while operating. AIR2 features suspended fans, providing significantly quieter operation, and the acoustics of the mask have been engineered to improve the natural speech path of users. Both innovations greatly enhance speech and listening capabilities. AIR2 continues MicroClimate's use of a revolutionary neck seal. Standard masks cannot compete with the reliability and repeatability AIR and AIR2 neck seals provide. Beards and facial hair come in all shapes and sizes. Unlike face-sealing masks, MicroClimate accommodates them all. Order now at microclimate.com.